Obviously, you will adapt, improvise, and overcome.
I shall.
And it's your bike, boy.
Tell everybody that's your frame slider, Rob. Katoom!
Sell your sport bike? They're asking 76 or 77.
Welcome to Coffeyville. We are on our way to Flying J. We're going to meet Charlie. 72 miles it looks like. Looks like we should get there at 9:29 p.m. if I left right now, but as I'm not leaving right now because my ass is not on the bike and ready, and I'm not driving a truck either. Listen to that thump, baby. You know it. Sing along. Flying J, Flying J. Not everyone who stops here is gay. There's Charlie. There's Robert. There's Scott. There's VX. RC. Me and my RC. He's having a problem with coming. Yeah, come on, down. Charlie says, hey. I gotta go now. This place isn't, there ain't shit going on here on Thursday. I'm coming back tomorrow night. That's when the party's going on. Welcome to Springdale, Arkansas. That's right. Charlie, we picked up Charlie in the Flying J near Joplin. There's Scott getting ready on his Katuma. Katuma, it is not a Katuma.
Sounds like that, but real quiet.
And we're getting ready to roll out of here. Let's get on the road. We got about another 60 some miles and we'll be at the cabin. Happy October 2nd. It's Friday morning. And we got to bed late. Imagine that. Let's see who's stirring. It's Robbie.
What up? Sturgis!
Let's take a gander outside, folks. Show you what the view is like here from the Mountain Breeze cabin. Buffalo Outdoor Center cabins here. We are north of Ponca. You're looking pretty much south at where Ponca is. Let's see who the characters are here. Oh, we got some of them coming back, I think. 3 of them took a morning ride here, and they'll be coming back. The suspects here are Jim, Charlie, and Scott, in that order, left to right. There's all the machines. It's Big John heading out to his bike. Warren, your local motorist.
You get a picture of me dropping this thing.
Someone's got to do it.
So how was Sturgis this year? That was great, was it? In May. Or no, it made August look like good, and September was great. Oh, you didn't go to that. That would not be comfortable. That would not be good.
What's that?
Well, this is the backrest for the passenger.
Yeah.
And then you got these that go right in your shoulder blades for comfort.
That's the shoulder harness. So it comes down
Yeah,
to
you
here,
strap her
relax,
in.
and strap her in.
So if you biff, she's still on the
She
bike.
ain't getting loose.
Yeah. That's a good way to get rid of her. Go off a cliff and bail.
I always thought the sport bike thing was a good way to get rid of a wife or girlfriend. I did too.
Oh!
Folks, Bill Herc is all business. There's no screwing around with this man. You want to talk to Bill, you better be to the point, quick, fast.
Hey, how did that, on our other lap ride, how did the whole deal go?